Hey Kickstarter, we're Vessi, and we love the rain. Stomp through puddles, trek through snow,
That's brilliant. I feel like my brain's saying it's going to get wet. It's not wet.
It is dry. No water.
Yeah, pour more on it.
whether you're up in the mountains opportunity to rethink the method that shoes are created. With the textile industry already creating 20% of the world's water pollution, we wanted to create Vessis with a more sustainable approach. The process we developed cut traditional knit machine times from 45 minutes to just 7 minutes. This reduced each pair's carbon footprint and energy consumed by over 600%. In addition, it enabled us to create a completely seamless unibody design, reducing the material trim waste by 97%, saving 880 gallons of water per pair. It's time for the footwear industry to evolve. With your help, we can revolutionize what a shoe should be. One shoe, 4 seasons. Comfort without compromise. Step into Vessis and let's make rain fun again.
This is Tropic. It's a new category of shoes. We call it the all-terrain sneaker. It's a mesh of a comfy urban shoe with a rugged technical outdoor boot. On the one hand, it's stylish, comfortable, and light. On the other, it's meticulously crafted as an incredible shoe for the outdoors. It's super light. It grabs your foot firmly with an elastic counter heel. It has a slip-resistant sole with a strong rubber grip, so you can trust it anywhere. When you're in the city, you'll appreciate the comfort it brings you. The freedom. It's made with Cosmo Materials 3D mesh, so it's super breathable. It comes with both elastic and regular shoelaces, so you can wear it the way you want to. Tropic is 100% water friendly. And it dries in minutes using the patented treatments Agian and Combat. It's built to slip on. And it's made to be worn with or without socks. It's a shoe for city lovers, adventurers, and explorers. Take it wherever life takes you.